right, good morning. This is Mike from San Diego Premier Training. You're gonna have to bear with me a little bit. I haven't had my coffee yet, but I wanted to put this video together to share a little bit of my morning routine, and that is my coffee. So I do start every day with some bulletproof coffee, and I have to admit, when I first heard about this, I didn't really want to like it. I thought it was trendy, and you know, didn't think it was going to be anything special. But I have to admit, just the taste factor alone was enough to make me want to continue this. But there are some great health benefits, and I just wanted to share my process and my secret ingredient that I add to my bulletproof coffee. All right, well, if you've heard of bulletproof coffee before, you probably know some of the standard ingredients. So of course we have our coffee grinds that we're going to start with. We are going to put butter in there, so this is the brand that I use, but there's some great grass-fed butter options for you. I know if you've never tried it before, it doesn't sound super appealing, but I promise it does taste delicious. Then we are going to add our MCT oil, so I have the Bulletproof brand here, their Brain Octane. This is just going to be great, so it is a type of fat, an MCT oil, that is going to help with energy, cognition, just a kind of a great way to start the day. And our secret ingredient right here, this white powder. So this is not sugar. This is the brand I use, but this is actually glycine. Glycine is an amino acid. And the interesting thing is it's an amino acid that actually has a sweet taste to it. So it is a nice way to replace sugar and actually still get that kind of sweet taste in there. But with glycine, the three things that it's known to be beneficial for is, one, it actually can help improve sleep. So if you have issues sleeping, adding glycine might be a great addition to your routine. The other thing it does, it actually helps curb insulin response when you consume sugar. So if you are going to have a higher sugar-containing meal, adding glycine might actually reduce the insulin response, kind of similar to apple cider vinegar or now I'm drawing a blank, or cinnamon to a meal as well to reduce that response. And the other thing is it's actually great for bone and joint support. Glycine is part of what makes up collagen, which you might get in like bone broth and things like that, but actually might help with joint repair. So that's our final ingredient. Now I added the other ones. I didn't trust myself making a video and adding oil and everything else and making a mess. So we are going to blend everything up for about 10 to 20 seconds. All right, and that's it. And now we have our bulletproof coffee. So it's gonna have a little froth to it, but great way to start the day. So give it a try and see what you think.